Hello grade 12s, we're going to look at the second half of question 10 from November 15 paper 2. So it starts out as a relatively standard normal distribution question in parts A and B. Part A was a little bit trickier because you had to standardize. Part B should have been fairly straightforward. So as we move on to part C, let's just recap. The following table has the percentages of small, medium and large watermelons grown on the farm. As we move on to part C, we read that all the medium and large watermelons are delivered to a grocer, so he does not or she does not receive the small watermelons. The grocer selects a watermelon at random from this delivery. So we're ignoring the small ones, we're just looking at medium and large. Find the probability that it is medium. So if we're just looking at these watermelons, the medium and large ones, and we want the probability that it's medium, we're actually doing some conditional probability. So we are looking at the probability that is medium given that it is large or medium. And you can probably do this intuitively by looking at the percentages. You could do it by looking at the formula. The probability that it's medium is 57, I believe. Let's just check. 57% were medium out of the entire farm, but we're just looking at the large or medium ones, so that leaves us with 95%. So this is our probability that it's medium. Let's just check. Does that simplify? It does. It is 0.6 or 3/5. Okay, let's take a look at part D. The grocer sells all the medium watermelons for $1.75 each and all the large watermelons for $3 each. His costs on this delivery are $300 and his total profit is $150. Find the number of watermelons in the delivery. So we don't know how many watermelons we have, do we? That's the first problem. So for part D, I'm going to let x equal number of watermelons in delivery. Now I've just found out that I should have 0.6 of them as medium. So this is the number of medium. And obviously that leaves 0.4x as the number of large. Okay, so let's go back and see how we're going to construct an equation from this. We have the medium watermelons are $1.75 each. So I've got 0.6x watermelons each at $1.75. So that's the cost. That is the money gained from selling the medium ones, and the large ones I believe were $3 each. So these are my large watermelons. This is how much they're gaining the grocer. His cost on this delivery are $300, so we have to subtract the $300 to work out what his profit is. The profit is $150. So this is the amount that the medium watermelons sold for. So medium sales, we'll call that. These are the large watermelon sales. These are his costs. And this is his profit. And this now is just a linear equation. So we can work these out. It's a calculated paper, so we can just use this to simplify it. This doesn't look right. Sorry, I've made a mistake here. It is 1.75 times 0.6. Yeah. Okay. So this looks a bit more sensible. 1.2x minus 300 equals 150. And then we're going to solve this. 2.25x equals 450. So X is 200. Let's just check the question. We are asked to find the number of watermelons in his delivery. That is 200 watermelons.